Have you ever wished you could enjoy your outdoor space in every season, regardless of the weather? A custom retractable sun room is the perfect solution. Designed with a premium aluminum frame and high-quality polycarbonate or tempered glass panels, our retractable enclosure creates a comfortable, protected environment while maintaining an open-air experience whenever you want it. Whether it's sunny, rainy, windy, or snowy, simply open or close the enclosure to match the weather and your lifestyle. Perfect applications. Our retractable sunrooms and pool enclosures are widely used for residential patios and backyards, swimming pools and spas, restaurants and outdoor dining areas, cafes and coffee shops, hotels and resorts, beach clubs, event venues, garden lounges, commercial buildings, fitness and wellness centers, schools and recreational facilities, healthcare and rehabilitation centers. No matter the location, our systems help maximize outdoor space while providing year-round comfort. Key benefits: extend your outdoor living season, protect against rain, snow, wind, and UV rays, keep swimming pools cleaner and warmer, reduce maintenance costs, improve energy efficiency, increase usable business space for restaurants and hotels, elegant modern appearance, smooth sliding operation, low maintenance, custom sizes available. Whether you are looking to create a luxury outdoor dining experience, protect a swimming pool, build a garden lounge, or add value to your property, our retractable enclosure offers a flexible and beautiful solution. As a professional manufacturer, we provide complete OEM and ODM customization services for customers around the world, from design and engineering to production, packaging, and international shipping. We support projects of all sizes. If you are planning your next outdoor living project, we'd love to help. Contact us today for free consultation, project recommendations, PDF drawings, and quotations. G Industrial Automation Co., Ltd. Custom Retractable Sunrooms Pool Enclosures Outdoor Living Solutions. Worldwide Export Factory Direct. Custom Design.